Find the value of I plus I square plus I cube plus I4. Solution. We know that I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I, and I4 is equal to 1. Now I plus I square plus I raised to cube plus I raised to 4. Now we have to submit the value. I as it is plus I square become a minus 1 plus I cube become a minus I, and I4 is a 1. Now I plus minus minus 1 plus minus minus I plus 1. Now we have to cancel out, plus minus minus cancel, plus minus I cancel. Answer is 0. Therefore answer I plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4 is equal to 0. Now the second question is, solve the determinant 3 minus 5 to 189370. Solution. Let D is equal to 3 minus 5 to 189370. Now we start. D is equal to D is equal to 3 determinant 8970. Here we hide first row and first column. So here 8790 is left. Similarly, in second we write minus, and here is minus 5, so we are writing minus 5 as it is. Now determinant first row, second column height, we have left 1390. Now plus finally third row, first row and third column. We get, here we write a 2 determinant 1 3 8 7. Now solve the determinant 3, multiply the 8 into 0, then minus 9 into 7. 8 multiply 0 minus 7 multiply 9. Bracket close, same, minus minus 5. We have solved this. Now same way, here multiply 1 into 0, then 9 into 3. 1 into 0 minus 9 into 3. Bracket close, plus 2 1 into 7 minus 3 into 8. 8 into 0 0, 0 minus 7 9 the 63, 63 plus 5 1 into 0 0 minus 9 3 the 27 plus 2 1 into 7 7 minus 3 8 the 24. 3 multiply minus 63 plus 5 multiply minus 27 plus 2 multiply 7 minus 24 is minus 189 minus 125, it becomes minus 324 and plus 34. The final answer is becomes minus 290. So D is equal to minus 290. Expressed in the form of a plus ib and value a and b 2 plus I bracket 3 minus I bracket, such that a and b belongs to real number and I is equal to root minus 1. Solution: a plus ib is equal to 2 plus I into 3 minus I. First we multiply 2 second bracket 3 minus I, then plus I multiply the second bracket 3 minus I. 2 multiply 3, 2 3 the 6 minus 2 into I, 2I plus I plus 3, 3 1 the 3. So 3 I plus minus I into I square. But we know that I square is equal to क्या होता है minus 1. Therefore we put the value of I square 6 minus and this 2 minus 2 plus 3I, it becomes a plus minus minus. तो क्या हो गया आंसर, साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर प्लस 3 में 2 गया 1 प्लस I minus I square becomes a minus 1. Now 6 plus I minus minus plus 1, it becomes a 7 plus I. So here is the A plus IB. By the equivalent of, here we express A plus IB is equal to form of 7 plus I. Describe the set A in the roster form where A is equal to curly bracket X such that X is a letter of the word marriage. MARRIAGE curly bracket close. Solution: A is equal to X such that X is a letter of the word marriage. Curly bracket close. We are writing in a roster form only a element M, comma A, comma R, comma R is already written. Next I, comma G, comma E. Evaluate I raised to 35. Second question, I raised to 116. Now solution, we know that I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I, and I raised to 4 is equal to 1. First one, I raised to 35. First, we have to divide 35 by 4, and we can return I35 in the form of this I into 4 into 8, 4 is the 32 plus 3. Now, I raised to 4 by index method, I raised to 4 raised to 8 and plus I raised to 3 becomes I raised to 3. Multiply by I raised to 3. Now, I raised to 4 is 1 raised to 8 and I raised to cube as it is. Finally, answer is 1 raised to 8 is 1 and this is the I raised to cube. But we know that I raised to cube is equal to minus I. So answer is I raised to 35 is equal to minus I. Second one, I raised to 116 is same. We have to write I raised to 4 into, if you divide the 116 divided by 4 is 4 on the 4, 4 to the 8, 3, 4 9 the 36. Mala 4 into 29, remainder is 0. So it becomes a I raised to 4 raised to 29. But I raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 29, 1 raised to 29 is 1. So answer is I raised to 116 is equal to answer is 1. Find the value of x if determinant 2, 4, 3, 5 equal to determinant x, 2x, 3, 5. Solution. First we solve the determinant 2, 4, 3, 5 is equal to x, 2x, 3, 5. We know that how to solve the determinant. First we multiply 2 into 5, then 3 into 4. 2 multiply 5 and minus 4 into 3 is equal to, similarly, x multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 2x. X multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied 2x. 2 5 is 10, minus 4 3 is 12, minus 12 is equal to x into 5, 5x minus 3 to the x minus 6x. 10 minus 12 minus 2, 5x minus 6, sign of greater number minus x. Minus minus cancel out, so it's the x is equal to value of 2. Show that 2 plus w square the whole cube minus 1 minus 3w plus w square the whole cube is equal to 65 if w is a complex cube root of unity. Solution. Here W is given is the complex root of unity, complex cube root of unity. So therefore, we know that if W is a complex cube root of unity, means that W cube is equal to 1 and W square plus W plus 1 is equal to 0. We can also write in the form of this one, W square is equal to minus W minus 1. As per situation, we have to use this answer. Now, question is left hand side is equal to 2 plus W plus W square the whole cube minus 1 minus 3W plus W square the whole cube. Now, we already know that W plus W square is equal to minus 1. We have to return here bracket 2 plus minus 1 bracket close the whole cube minus 1 minus 3W. Here we know that W square is equal to minus W minus 1. We have to return here plus bracket minus W minus 1 bracket close the whole cube. Solve this bracket 2 plus minus minus plus minus minus, we have to return 2 minus 1 the whole cube minus bracket 1 minus 3W. Here plus we have to open the bracket plus minus minus W plus minus minus 1 the whole. 2 minus 1 1 the whole cube minus bracket here minus 3W minus W is minus 4 and minus 1 and plus 1 it become cancel. So minus 3W minus W minus minus plus sign of greater number is minus 4W the whole cube. Now 1 raised to cube is 1 minus 4 raised to cube is 64 and minus 4 here minus 4 raised to cube means minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. But here minus and minus is plus and plus minus minus. Simple method. If the power is in odd, पावर अगर पावर ऑड में हुआ और ये माइनस है तो आंसर माइनस में आएगा, और पावर इवन में है तो क्वेश्चन हमारा माइनस में या प्लस में तो आंसर ऑलवेज प्लस में. तो यहाँ 3 is the odd number, the answer is minus 64. Minus 64 and W the W cube. We have to open the bracket 1 minus 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 plus 64, but we also know that W cube is equal to 1. So answer is 65, which is equal to right hand side. So therefore, we have to return final answer. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. 5. Next question is differentiate the following with respect to x y is equal to 2x plus 3 bracket x cube minus 7x plus 4 bracket close. First we multiply solution. First we solve the bracket. First bracket multiply the second bracket. So 2x first bracket of the first number multiply second bracket x cube minus 7x plus 4. Similarly plus 3 multiply x cube minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 2. Here is a 1. So 2 on the 2, x cube into x is x raised to 4 minus 2 7 the 14 and x into x, 2 7 the 14, x into x square plus 2 4 the 8x here plus 3 into x cube, 3 into x cube plus minus minus 3 7 the 21 and x here plus, here is plus 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 3 4 the 12. Now we have to solve. Only x raised to 4 is only 1, so we have to return 2x raised to 4. Second power is less than it, x cube, so plus 3x cube. Then after x raised to 4, sorry, x raised to 2 minus 14, x raised to 2, x square. Now here is plus at x, here is minus 21, plus minus minus, and sign of greater number here is become minus 13x plus minus minus 21 minus 18 13, sign of greater number minus 13x plus 12. This is a y. Now we have to differentiating with respect to x. Y is equal to dy by dx. Here we differentiate. We know that x raised to n of derivative is n is multiple of time and n minus 1, n into x raised to n minus 1. Similarly, we have to use here 2 as it is, x raised to 4, 4 becomes a multiple and we have to minus 4 minus 1. Second one plus 3 as it is, x cube becomes 3, derivative x cube is 3 minus 1, minus 14 into x square is 2x, so 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 minus 13, 13 x derivative is x derivative is 1 plus 12 is 0 because it's a constant, derivative of constant is 0, equal to 2 4 the 8 x raised to cube plus 3 3 the 9 x square minus 14 to the 28, 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 13. This is the final answer dy by dx, derivative. This sum we also solve by the another method, derivative of formula u into v. Next question, find the value of x where determinant where determine 1 x x square 1 2 4 4 6 9. Now we have to solve this one. Solution let d is equal to determinant लिखे 1x is equal to 0. Here 1x x square 1 2 4 4 6 9. Solution. The determinant of the value is given is 0. First, same method, first row फर्स्ट कॉलम हाइड करेंगे, ये 1 एज इट इज यहाँ आएगा, तो हमारा फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम हाइड हो गया, तो बच गया 2 6 4 9. डिटर्मिनेंट 2 6 4 9. The second is minus. Similar this will have x. So we have to return here x and determinant first row second column. So becomes 1 4 4 9. 1 4 4 9. The last one is plus x square. फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम हाइड करे तो 1 4 2 6 1 4 2 6 is equal to 0. We have to solve. Multiply 2 9 the 18 minus 4 6 the 24 minus x 1 into 9 is 9, 4 4 the 16, there is a minus 16, plus x square. Similarly 1 multiply x, 1 into x is 6, 1 into 6 is 6, minus 4 to the 8 equal to 0. 18 minus 24 plus minus minus, sign of greater number is minus 6. 18 में 24 में 18 गया 6, and sign of greater number minus x. Similarly 9 into plus 16 minus plus minus minus 16 minus 9 is 7. It's a minus 7, and it is minus 7 and this minus 6 minus x, it becomes a minus minus plus, और यहाँ पर हम लोग 7 this. Plus 7x x square plus minus minus, the minus 2. Final answer is minus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We solve the quadratic equation written in the form of 2x square minus 7x plus 6. We have to here we taking a minus is a common, so minus it becomes a minus 6, it becomes a plus 6, plus 7x is a minus 7x, minus it becomes a 2, plus 2x square is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. 2 multiplied by 6, so it becomes a 2 6 the 12. This split the 12 in the form of multiple of an answer become plus minus is 7. So it's a 3 4 the 12 and minus 3 and minus 4 is minus 7. Now 2x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here x is common. Here is the 2x minus 3. Here similarly this bracket is the same as here. Here is 2 is common. 2 and 2 to the 4, the 2x and 6 is the becomes the multiple of 2 is 3 to the 6 is equal to 0. Here 2x minus 3 is a common in the both. Here is x minus 2. Product of any number is 0. That means at least one of them is 0. So therefore we have to use this formula. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 और x minus 2 is equal to 0. अगर कोई दो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करने पे 0 होते तो इसमें मीन्स इनमें से दोनों में से कोई एक नंबर 0 होगा. तो हमने सपोज किया 2x माइनस 3 इज 0 है तो x माइनस 2 इज 0. तो इसका x इज इक्वल टू आ जाएगा 3/2 और यह x इज इक्वल टू 2. The value of x is become 3/2 या 2. Type the following set in builder form. A set builder form is curly bracket 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 and B is curly bracket is 0. Set builder form solution very simple. First we have to suppose x such that x belongs to integer and limit of x is greater than minus 4 and less than 4. अब greater than minus 4 is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0 and 2 and less than 4 is till the 3, 10. We have to return is y such that y belongs to whole number and y is less than 1. होल नंबर में लेस देन 1 क्या होता है? 0 ही होता है. दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव टू रिटर्न इन अदर मेथड. ओके, नेचुरल नंबर एंड होल नंबर. इसको इस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं साहब. y such that y belongs to whole number but does not belongs to natural number. तो नेचुरल नंबर 1 2 3 4 होता है और होल नंबर 0 1 2 3 4. तो 1 2 3 4 है ही नहीं तो बचा ओनली सिर्फ 0. बोथ आंसर इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट द कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर 3 plus I. Second B is 3 minus I. C is 5I. So here we have to solution answer directly. 3 plus I becomes the 3 minus I. The conjugate of complex number means positive I becomes a negative I. Here the answer is 3 minus I becomes a plus I. The answer is plus 5I becomes a minus 5. A I raised to 49 plus I raised to 68 plus I raised to 89 plus I raised to 110. Solution. We know that I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I and I raised to 4 is equal to 1. Now I raised to 49 plus I raised to 68 plus I raised to 89 plus I raised to 110 you have to return a divided by 4. 49 becomes a multiple of 4 is 4 6 are 48 and plus 1. So we have to return here is 4 into 6 plus 1. Similarly 68 17 4s are 68 plus I raised to 89 22 into 4 plus 1. 22 for the 88, 88 plus 1, 89. Now last one, 110. I raised to 27 into 4 plus 2. 27 for the 108 plus 210. So I raised to 4 raised to 6 by indices method. Into I raised to 1 is I plus I raised to 17 becomes I raised to 4 raised to 17 plus here same I raised to 4 into 22 into I plus I raised to 4 raised to 27 I square. I raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 6 is 1, so only I is left, plus I raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 17 is 1, so only answer is 1, plus I raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 21 is 1, 1 into I is I, plus I raised to 4 is 1, 1 raised to 27 is becomes a 1, and I square is minus 1. I 2I plus 1 plus minus minus 1, this is a cancel out, so answer is 2I. I raised to 49 plus I raised to 68 plus I raised to 89 plus I raised to 110 is equal to 2I. Similarly, second question we have to solve FD1. I plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4. Solution. We know that I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I raised to 4 is equal to 1. So I plus I square plus I raised to cube plus I raised to 4 is equal to I becomes I square is minus 1 plus minus minus I raised to cube is minus I plus 1. Finally, plus I minus I cancel out, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, answer is 0. Therefore, answer I plus I square plus I cube plus I raised to 4 is equal to 0.